Another scenario you've got to think about is that a lot of big homes have a main switchboard at the front of the house, and they have, especially if it's a double-story home, but for this indication here, they'll have another subboard, maybe at the top level of the house or at the back of the house where, that subboard may go off to another shed. A lot of people want to put that battery or the inverter out the back here where they want to connect to the subboard. The issue we have here, first of all, you see a subboard, red flag straight away. You've got to think about all the different scenarios. To get the VPP to work, again, you have to run a cable all the way back to this main switchboard to put a CT meter around there. If you want backup power for your home, again, you've got to consider what circuits are coming off here, off this subboard, and what circuits are coming off here. Because if you want to back up different circuits, you might have to run a cable to there or all the way back there. It's a long way and it's very, very expensive. The other thing you need to consider, if this was a double-story home and this was down here and the subboard was up, the top level, how are you getting that cable back? You need to be thinking how expensive it's going to be to get that cable back. Every day of the week, it's easier to put that battery right here in the garage, right behind that main switchboard. Easy to get the CT meters there for the VPP, also easy to back up all the circuits in here. Another scenario to think about, see a subboard, see a shed, think about how you're going to get the cables back and how expensive it's going to be.